This burfi recipe is so simple yet delicious, and all it takes is just about 15 to 20 minutes to prepare. The two main ingredients added here give their unique flavor and texture to this burfi. So let's get started. In a pan, take about 2 tablespoons of ghee. Here I have taken cow ghee. After the ghee melts, take about 200 grams of unsweetened Khova or Mawa. Break the Khova into tiny bits, crumble it with your hands and then add into the ghee. This recipe is actually quick and fast because we are using Khova here. Instead of Khova, you can also use milk and sugar or condensed milk for the same purpose. But I just wanted to prepare this burfi within 15 to 20 minutes, so I am using Khova here. So once the Khova starts melting, keep stirring it continuously till it turns out to be smooth and silky. Now here we can see that it started to release the ghee. Add about half cup of powdered sugar. Mix it well till everything comes together. Make sure that there are no lumps in the mixture. After adding the sugar, it tends to become sticky in consistency, and keep stirring continuously so that the mixture doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and the appearance must be silky and smooth as shown in the video. Now once it has become silky and smoother, add about 1 cup of desiccated coconut to this mixture. Now mix well so that everything comes together without any lumps in the mixture. If you want to use freshly grated coconut in this recipe, just adjust the amount of sugar because the fresh coconut has its natural sweetness. Now add about 2 teaspoons of milk and mix everything well. Turn off the stove. Take any flat tray, line it with baking paper or parchment paper. Put the burfi mixture on this and slightly press and flatten it with help of a silicone spatula. Add any toppings of your choice. Here I have added chopped almonds, cashew nuts, pistachios and few dried rose petals. After adding these toppings, slightly press with silicone spatula again and let this set for about an hour or two. So it's been an hour here. Let's check the burfi. You can cut them into either squares or rectangular shaped pieces. I am cutting them in square shaped pieces. Do try this instant burfi recipe which gets ready in just about 15 to 20 minutes. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting recipes and cooking videos. Enjoy and subscribe for more.